MacQuisition QuickStart Overview from BlackBag Technologies. For the past 7 years, MacQuisition has provided forensic examiners with a simple and effective way to image hundreds of different Xserve, Mac, iMac, MacBook, and MacBook Air computer models. However, MacQuisition 2012 marks a complete product redesign. MacQuisition is now a powerful 3-in-1 data acquisition tool, capable of not only forensic image acquisition, but also live data acquisition and targeted user-specific file, folder, and directory acquisition. In essence, this tool remains the same in name only. Nearly everything else has been overhauled. To acquire data from a live Mac OS X system, insert the MacQuisition USB key into a USB port on the source computer. Then, attach a destination drive to a Thunderbolt port if available, or a second USB port or FireWire port. If the source machine has only one USB port, an examiner can use a powered USB hub to attach both the MacQuisition key and a destination device, as we've shown in this example. After mounting, an application disk image appears on the source computer's desktop. Double-click the disk image. A Finder application window opens, revealing the MacQuisition application icon. Double-click this icon, launching MacQuisition. Upon launching, a password dialog window appears. If an administrator password is known, type the password into the password text field and select the OK button. If an examiner successfully enters the administrator password, MacQuisition runs with full root privileges. If the administrator password is unknown, click the Cancel button. A second dialog window appears. To quit MacQuisition, click the Quit button. To attempt to enter an administrator password again, click the Authorize button. To run MacQuisition with restricted permissions or the current user's permissions, click the Run Restricted button. Whenever possible, a forensic examiner should launch MacQuisition from an administrator account to ensure the availability of admin-level MacQuisition features, such as the ability to image RAM. An examiner can also use the source machine system to boot MacQuisition directly from the USB key. When an examiner boots a source machine from the MacQuisition USB key, MacQuisition automatically runs with root permissions in a forensically sound environment. Therefore, the previous dialog windows do not appear. To boot MacQuisition from the USB key, with the source computer off and plugged into a power source, insert the MacQuisition USB key into a USB port on the source computer. Attach a destination device to a Thunderbolt port if available, or a second USB or FireWire port. If the source machine has only one USB port, an examiner can use a powered USB hub to attach both the MacQuisition key and a destination device to the source machine. Press the source machine's power button and immediately hold the Option key. The EFI boot screen or Startup Manager screen appears. Click the MacQuisition icon with the MacQuisition version best suited for the source machine's hardware. Click the arrow below the MacQuisition icon to begin the boot process. Thank you for your interest in MacQuisition and in BlackBag Technologies. If you have any questions about our products, training, or services, please visit us at www.blackbagtech.com.